Good evening, my family and friends. Today is Wednesday, May 11th at 6 o'clock in the evening. And tonight I'm coming to you from Epcot. Tonight we're going to be actually eating over here at the Connection Eatery. And I'm going to show you everything they have to offer. So I want you guys to come along with us and join us in this magical adventure. Let's go. All right, folks, here's the entrance to the Connection Eatery. It's actually going to be located right over there is Test Track, Mission Space, and over here is going to be Guardians of the Galaxy. That's going to be opening up May 27th. So it's going to be right here, right next to everything. So we're going to go inside now and we're going to check it out. All right, I'm inside. There's plenty of tables. It's pretty big. There's tables in here, all the way around here. Then you got tables on this side too. It's pretty big. Then over here around the corner, you got the fountain drinks, utensils. Over here you can do mobile ordering. Kitchen looks pretty cool. Looks like that's where they make the pizzas. And then over here, you can actually get all the condiments, the ketchup and all that stuff. And over here you can do mobile ordering. And I'm gonna show you over here like all the different foods they have to offer. This menu is probably most likely gonna change here in like in a second or two. Now I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna show you guys the menu on this side. They got draft beer and hand cider, wine on a tab, specialty cocktails, and then of course you got your regular non-alcoholic beverages, your shakes. You got the apple pie gelato shake and the mango coconut milkshake. Then you also have the salads. And then you also have the kids meals. And then you also have the kids sides. I'm actually gonna come over right here and I'm gonna show you the pictures on the top. I like the different stuff that they have to offer. The hand-breaded chicken sandwich looks good. Here I'm going to show you the pizzas. Meatball, fried cheese, pepperoni, and very spiced. And then the sandwiches, French bistro burger, the American classic burger, Southwestern burger, Mediterranean burger, and hand-breaded chicken sandwich. There's the sides right there, French fries, sea salt, coleslaw. Then this is the other side. You got more sitting area over here. And this side you also can get ketchup, more utensils, anything you need. I like the chandeliers that they have. It's pretty big. And this is where they do the waffles. The waffles look pretty good. I like the wall art that they have. I think it's beautiful. And that directly right back there, it's another entrance you can actually go through. And I'm gonna go and show you the Starbucks real quick, where it's at. Right here, this is one of the other entrances you can actually go through, but this is actually an emergency entrance, exit. You got tables up here. It's a pretty big place. And then right down here is the Starbucks. They actually also have sitting right down here where you can actually sit. The cool part is, right there you got USB ports and plugs to charge your phones. And this is where the Starbucks is at, on the opposite side. It's a pretty big Starbucks. There's one entrance you can come in through. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it, but they got the Starbucks mugs for Epcot there. They also sell the 50th anniversary tumblers if you're interested. And then this looks like the side where they do like all the baked goods and all that stuff for Starbucks. And then over here you got the other entrance that you can come through. It actually leads you, if you come, let's say if you come into that entrance where I just showed you to go into Starbucks, you can actually just come right through here and I'll take you back to where I started on that side. So that's basically like the whole area for the Connection Eatery. So we'll probably go do a ride or two later on, and I'll catch up with you guys later. This is the kids meal pizza. You can get it with fries
or a salad.
Or a salad. And this is the burger.
The bistro
the
burger.
Bistro burger that comes with the on the side, the mushrooms, onions, and the mayonnaise. And then you also have the chicken sandwich with the salad. You got the waffle with strawberries and whipped cream on top, and then the chocolate syrup on the side. And then the kids meal tenders with fries. All right, my family and friends, I just want to say the food here in the Connection Eatery was phenomenal. The Bistro burger was awesome. The kids tenders was good. And also the hand-breaded chicken sandwich was amazing. I do recommend the hand-breaded chicken sandwich if you ever come to Epcot, to come over here into the Connection Eatery. Get it. It's worth it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you I'm going to go to Cool Spot, show you around, and show you to the new gift shop. So let's go. I did forget to mention, I don't know if you remember back when Epcot first opened, that this here used to be the old Electric Umbrella restaurant, and they actually, when they started doing construction, they actually build connections, which is pretty cool. And then there's the gift shop I was telling you about, Creation Shop. It's actually located right across from Connections. And then right over here is Club Cool. I'm gonna go in there now. I'm gonna show you around. So I'm in here. That's where they have all the Coca-Cola samples. You got the Coca-Cola souvenirs you can buy. It's pretty cool. The stainless steel Coca-Cola cups are like $14.99. You also got these water bottles. These are actually $44.99. They also have the 50th anniversary Coca-Cola bottles. Man, I want to get me one of those. Those look pretty cool. They're like limited edition Coca-Cola bottles. You can actually get bottles of drinks here. You also have the Coca-Cola shirts. These are $36.99. And right back there is the different country drinks you can try, which we're gonna go back there here in a second. They sell pillows, candy, and you got like anything for the house, like straw holders, Coca-Cola signs for the wall, sweaters. These sweaters are $74.99. Then you got like different candies. Those are the gourmet ice right back there. This is the Beverly from Italy. Bun from Madagascar. The Dominican Republic one. The country. Joy from Minute Maid. Royal from watermelon. Sprite with lime. And then you got
I did not hear that. I heard something else.
And then these are the flavors. Those are the flavors from around the world. You can see these look pretty cool. Let's see how much these things are. They're $59.99. They're actually Coca-Cola by Spirit jersey. Check it out. Oh, they're like a raincoat which says Coca-Cola on it in the back with a hoodie. It's pretty cool. I got the shirts here. All right, let's go over to the creation store. This is some of the merchandise for the 50th. This is creations. Let's go inside and see what they have. Wow, this store is amazing. They got these polo shirts. They're $69.99 plus tax. They also have these sweaters. They are $119.99. Oh, I like this here. It's a nice shirt. It's $60. It has Walt and Mickey Mouse on it with Cinderella's castle behind it for the 50th. Then you got these beautiful cups on the 50th. They're $22.99. And you also got these lounge flies. The lounge flies are, they're $110. Look at the Cinderella Castle pop. Let's see how much it is. Interesting. I don't see no price on it. Oh, they're actually, I apologize, it's right here. It's $39.99. It's pretty cool. Then they got these pants. They're $44.99. Then you also got these nice t-shirts. They're $36.99. Let's continue. This long sleeve Figment shirt looks nice. Oh, look at these plushes. They seem like they're new. They're $34.99. It's the Mickey Mouse Main Attraction Series 2 out of 12. Interesting. They got these lounge flies too. They look pretty. They look very, very nice. Then you got these purses. That looks nice. Then you got home deco for the kitchen and for the rooms and all that stuff right back here. And then you got mugs on that side. Got tumblers on this side also. This looks big. You got these plants. These are actually, oh, they're only $22.99. Look at the Spaceship Earth cookie jar. And of course you got a collection of ears on this side. And then of course you got the hats in the back. Now if you're looking for anything for the 50th, you got it right back here. These jackets look nice for the kids, or $50. Then they got the Spirit jerseys. These are $55. They got these lounge flies. These look cool. It's got Mickey Mouse on the back. It says Walt Disney World on it. This is pretty cool. Those sweaters are $44.99. Interesting.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Pretty cool. It is so cool. And of course, for any of you Star Wars fans, you got Mandalorian. You got BB-8. Ah, you got Baby Yoda. Looks like this one's it's an animatronic. It looks, yeah, it's an animatronic. Interesting. They got a lot of Star Wars stuff on this side. That's pretty cool. He looks so cute. Then he also had the Star Wars jewelry. And then you got the socks. If you're looking for a Baby Yoda, they have them here. They also have them here. Two different plushes. Then of course you got the porgs. This is awesome. Oh, these are pretty cool. Oh, that is so cute. Yeah, I just came across these. These are the Main Street Electrical Parade 50th Anniversary Disneyland ears. They also sell the Main Street Electrical Parade Lounge Fly. I don't know how much this one costs. Let's see. Ah, it's $75. This one looks nice too. All right, my family and friends, this actually concludes our evening here at Epcot Center. Unfortunately, we couldn't get to any rides tonight just because of the fact that the park is kind of full. So with that being said, if you are new to this channel, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future uploads. And until next time, don't be a stranger in this upside down world. So long, YouTube.